I've made this video to show about how I've unpacking and setting up my new folding e-bike, which is quite exciting for me. But there was something that I found online whilst I was doing some research to get a little bit more information about the bike to put into the presentation of this video. Of course, I've got these quite nice shots. One of the bike here shows how nice it looks, and then this is the shot of it folding up so you can see how small it can go and if it'll fit into your car and so on. That's all very good. Now, I purchased my bike from Lassiter, and this is the listing from Lassiter, and you can see the price on there. Now, when I did some researching around, and I've had another look on Shopee, which is another online shopping store around here that a lot of people use, and I found that the price was 50% more in Shopee. But then what's really staggering is that if you go on to this next one, and this is from eSmartWay. Now, I've never done any shopping on eSmartWay, so I can't really say whether it's good, bad, or whatever. But the price on there, as you can see here, it's about double what I paid for my bike on Lassiter. So that's a bit of a shock. But there's more to come, because when I then looked at the listing in AliExpress, the price on there is almost 3 times the price as what I paid for mine on Lassiter. So you've really got to be careful where you do your online shopping for, especially for sort of big ticket items like this. The price variance is not small at all. Now, as I said, I've never shopped at eSmartWay, so I can't speak about that one. But I have shopped at Shopee, and I have shopped at AliExpress, and many occasions I find that they've got the best price, and that's why I do this kind of shopping around. I just thought I'd sort of highlight this because it's such a big difference. It's really worth noting. Anyway, enough of that stuff. Let's get on with the story. Here we go. So this is where it started. I bought this bicycle to do a bit of exercise riding around on, and it works pretty well. It's still quite a nice little bike. I like it a lot. It's just fine. But I couldn't get very much range because I'm not that fit, and I'm not going to go for long bicycle rides. And I wanted to get to more interesting destinations, so I moved up to my e-bike here after quite a lot of research and shopping around and finding out what might be best. And I bought this basic bike, and then I've optioned it up quite a bit. I've got the mudguards on here and the headlights and mirrors and saddlebags and carrier on the back and so on. So that all makes it the kind of e-bike that I thought I wanted to ride, and I do like it. I like it quite a lot. It's a beautiful little bike to ride. Lovely. Now I find that I've ridden around this area quite a lot. And to find more interesting destinations to go on, to take some more videos, which I enjoy doing as well, I needed a bike that can travel, that is, be carried to a different location. So while this might be quite okay, I suppose I could throw it in the back of the pickup truck that I've got and we could take it out somewhere. But I also would like to have an e-bike that I can take on holiday when the family goes away for a holiday. So I've ordered one, and this is what it currently looks like. It's just a big box. So here we go. Let's get started on e-bike 2.0. sort of starting to look like a bike. There we go. It folds out into a bike in just seconds. So that's it, yeah. There you go. Anyway, you got that much in front. Oh. Another freebie. A little pocket size bicycle overhaul kit. Does everything. Well, get you out of trouble on the road anyway. That's something. Doesn't give you anywhere to put it on the bike though. Figure that out for yourself. Well, starting to look like a bike. So that's all a good sign. What I've got to do now is figure out how to get it turned on. But I don't know. So we've got it figured out. And got it turned on. We're about ready to ride. So here we go. Well, bloody hot day. I got the bike finished and I can ride it as you see. So that's all good. Now here's the bike as she stands out of the box. Quite a nice little bike. It is a compromise, of course. It's a 20-inch wheel and foldable. So you lose a couple of other niceties to gain those extra benefits, as it were. But as a package, it's quite a good deal. With the, it's supposed to be a 500 watt motor. I'll wait and see how much extra power it gives me. But it's already got a rack and a light and tail light and mud guards. So it's a complete box, a complete out of the box setup. So that's all kind of nice. So once I get a little bit more used to riding it and get it fully charged up and everything, we'll see. That might be a lot better. So that's about it. Time for me to go and have a cool drink and recover from my hot exertions out here in the Thailand weather today. So thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, those things. And see you in the next one. I'll take the folding bike out for a ride somewhere, some exotic locations, and take you along. Bye-bye.